All right, this is Eric with WDWNT, and we're going to tour this standard room here at the Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, Disneyland Paris. I will probably go into widescreen at some point here. I'm going to go in here and take a quick tour. We do have other tours of this hotel on the main channel, but we don't have any from the last year or two. So walk in and this is what you see immediately. I did kind of open those curtains, so that's not the true reveal, I guess. They did move my luggage up here. We're part of a media event, so I do have luggage that's already been moved up here. So you don't get a true idea of the open space without stuff in it, but you get the idea. Go widescreen here. So you have a nice little spot to put luggage up here. They have a blanket, pillow, etc. Some closet space, hangers, ironing board. One cool thing about that is that, like, my experience so far in Europe is you never know if you're going to get an ironing board. Some hotels, in fact, the one I just checked out of, have one ironing room per floor. So it's nice to have your own ironing board. Here, another little place to hang some things, and a safe and some drawers. Full-length mirror right here. And then let's just go into the bathroom real quick. We have a very large vanity and mirror. If I can figure out how to turn these on, I will. If not, oh boy, it's out here, probably out here. At any rate, you get the idea. You can see the room. A lot of space in here, actually. And I really like this. I'm going to go out of widescreen here for this sort of Art Deco faucet. I think that's a cool look. Sink is very nice, and then over here you have, of course, your branded soap. And then inside the shower, they have all the towels. I'm gonna go back into widescreen, get a better view there. All the towels in here, and you come in here and you have a rain shower head, and then you have a wand as well. In addition to that, you have your shampoo, your soap, conditioner, etc. Spacious enough in there. We're going here. I know when you see Tom do a room tour, he always likes toilet art. He likes art in the toilet room. There's none here. We're in the Art of Marvel Hotel, but there's no art in the room with the commode. So we have all of this right here. Place to hang stuff. All right. All right, we're going to come to the main room. One thing you'll notice, they have these cool light fixtures, and there's a million light switches in this room that do different things. So I'm sure when it comes time to go to bed, I'm gonna have my hands full trying to turn off all of the lights. There's a power outlet over here and all these light switches that control the different lights. You may notice this is like a false wall. It's like the headboard goes the entire length of the room. So there's about, I don't know, 8 to 10 inches behind that, and it's backlit, which is cool. It's a very large bed. This is a media event, so they did leave some gifts behind for us. I haven't touched those yet, I haven't looked at them yet. Over here you have your thermostat, and then I'm gonna go back out of widescreen so we can get a better view of the artwork here. This is Black Panther here, doing his thing in New York. And as we sort of take a leisurely spin around, you see there's a TV here and the stuff from the bar, but I'm gonna go wide again, give you a better view with the desk. And then one kind of interesting thing is the TV's behind this pane of glass. So the TV is not out there where you can touch it, behind a pane of glass. And then here we have various power outlets. There's also a USB, and there's a couple of USB ports, but there's an HDMI port. So I guess if you want to use the TV as a monitor, you probably could, or plug in your Xbox or something. Over here, back to wide. I have this couch. This does fold out. I'll fold this just so you can see real quick. I won't go all the way, but just so you can see there's a bed down here. So you can fold this out and sleep more people. Over here we have a coffee station. You got looks like a tea kettle, coffee machine, cups, Down here we have all your different drinks you can make. Some glass and of course an ice bucket. More artwork. Again, this is the Art of Marvel. So here is Captain Marvel herself, right here. Looking dangerous. Got some friends with her. Cool lamp here. It's a nice little chair. And on the chair, the pillow has some artwork of New York, you can see. Also the carpet in this room. This is, kind of a faux wood floor, but it goes right into this carpet. I don't know, if I had to describe it, I'd say it looks like Eddie Van Halen's guitar. If you're of a certain age, you know what I'm talking about. And then, round out, we'll check out the view. Looking right at downtown Disney. All right, this courtyard as you go into the back of the Hotel New York Art of Marvel. There's Security Plaza over there, is Newport Bay, etc. But a nice view, big windows. Overall, I'd say this is a very nice room. Looking forward to getting some sleep here. Pretty tired, so. Yeah, give us a like. Subscribe to the channel for more room tours, cruise line room tours, Disney hotels, Disney partner hotels, etc. And we'll see you next time here on WDWNT.